In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add countdown timer in Godaddy. Let's start by opening the Godaddy website and signing into your account. In the top right corner, click your account name, then choose My Products. From your list of products, select the website you want to work on. This takes you to the site dashboard where you'll click Edit Website to open the Godaddy Website Builder Editor. Once the editor loads, navigate to the page where you want the countdown to appear. Hover over the page list and scroll to the exact spot on the page where the timer should live. Above a hero image, just before a promotion, or near an event announcement are all great places that draw attention. When you found the right spot, click Add Section. A panel will open with different section types. Scroll down to the general category, then select Countdown Timer. You'll see layout options for the countdown. Choose the layout that matches your site's style and the emphasis you want. Some layouts are bold and centered, others are more compact and minimalist. Click to add the layout, and the countdown section will drop into your page. With the section in place, look to the right side settings panel. Here's where you configure the timer. Set the start date and start time to define when your countdown should begin displaying. Then set the end date and end time, the deadline your visitors will see the timer counting down to. Be precise with your selection so the countdown aligns with your promotion or event. If you work across regions, keep in mind that the website's time zone settings determine how the times are interpreted. After setting the timing, customize the content. In the during countdown fields, add a clear message that tells visitors exactly what's coming up. Think an upcoming sale, a launch, or an event, so the countdown has context. In the after countdown fields, write what should appear once the timer hits 0. This could confirm that the offer has ended, provide a next step, or share a thank you message. Keeping the messages short, specific, and action-oriented helps visitors know what to do. Take a moment to review the placement and spacing of the section so it's easy to spot without overwhelming your page. If your chosen layout includes style options, adjust them to match your brand. Colors with strong contrast and readable text sizes usually perform best. That's all you need to add and configure a countdown timer in Godaddy. With the right timing and messaging, your countdown can create urgency, guide visitors, and boost engagement where it matters most.